Kia ora, Helen Brahms here again. Hope you're having a super fantastic sparkling day. I have a box. I kind of know what's in it, but I don't really know what's in it because when I placed the order, I also asked for a couple of mystery packages. And so we're going to have a look. Now, I have a friend, Nanette, who has this awesome business of 31 bags, and they had this amazing up to 70% clearance sale that was ended at the end of July. And excuse me, and my box arrived, so we're going to open it up and see what's inside. Now I've already slid open the tape, so I don't need to worry about that. So let's turn this around so you guys can see. So here's the box. It's a big box, and Zeffy is going to think it's another bark box for her, but she's already got her loot, but she's eyeing it very carefully. Look at that face, like, what you got now, Mom? Okay, all right. So here's our boxes of interesting things. Like I said, I don't remember much of what I got, so it's going to be a very interesting thing because I know there's also mystery packages. And look at this one. Look at that face. Don't you have enough toys? Look at all your new toys you just got. So this here I thought was really cool. It had RV. It had we call these caravans in New Zealand. I think you guys call them tow trailers or something. Trying to figure out how to do this one-handed, but this is a thermal bag for keeping things cool. Oh, I see. You don't have to rip it open, you just pull it open. Hang on, let's see if I don't know if I can set this up. No, that's not gonna work. Oh, but that might. Yep, hang on, trying to figure out my just get to look at Zeffy for a little longer. Trying to figure out I've actually got a tablet stand here, so I'm trying to figure out how to hook it onto something. Oops, that didn't work. I have no idea what you guys are seeing right there right now. We'll just work on the hands. Okay. So we're going to, but see how it's hooked over the edge of the box? You can do that on a tray table on a flame. Hi, are you coming to help? Yeah, right. Oh, it popped open just like that. Look at that. Didn't have to use my teeth. Okay, so this is a really cool looking thermal bag by the looks of it. So that's for when we can go out. We go on picnics and stuff. We can take this with us. Oops, sorry, I'm putting the camera in the wrong place. You can tell I'm not used to opening boxes one-handed, but it's all thermal on the inside. I really liked the pattern on the outside of this one for the RV. So that hang on, did it say on the label how big this thing is? No, it just said fresh market thermal. So good for keeping stuff cool if you go to the markets or anything. I get my groceries delivered, but I see there's an outside pocket here. There's a little domey thing here, so you can actually hook it under there if you need to. Plain on that side, and then this side has the dome on the side as well to help hold your corners down when you need to. So that's a really cool bag. All right, this one is, I like how they've got them in the Ziploc bags. That makes it a little easier to open them. This one was a cool little, official name is Tiny Utility Tote. Now in RVs, we're always looking for stuff that you can scrunch down and have. I like the little gnomes on this, but that's a cool little tote thing. It's just for whatever you want to carry around, and if I don't have anything to carry around, the cool thing about these is that they just all collapse down and go flat for storage, which is awesome. Oh, this is a mystery parcel one. Hang on, we're probably going to need 2 hands for this one, so you're going to have to look down at the pattern there for a second. I actually want to save that one, because I got another mystery, and see the pink is a mystery one as well. So this one is Deluxe Double Duty Caddy. As I said, I have no idea what is in those 2 other bags, so we're going to find out together. I'm going to open this out. Okay, so this is good for, looks like it's good for the craft supplies and stuff. It's a caddy that pops open. And it's got 2 sides on each side of the handle. There's a little pocket. There's a little pocket on the inside of this one. There's outside pockets here. Good for my little craft supplies. Then there is on this side, they've got a Velcro pocket Yep, that looks good too. Kind of like the design on that one. And on this side, they've got a little inside. Oh no, hang on. It's not a pocket. It folds down on the bottom there to help hold it open. Jeepers, Helen. I don't know where I was when they handed out the brain department. Definitely not paying. Shiny object syndrome. So something went wrong. So there we've got the little things that flop down. So you can now have the... Oh, look, it's got pockets on the ends. Look at that, the little mesh pockets. So now we've got the bottoms in place. Oh, you can't see because it's too dark. Now that the bottoms are in place, it now holds it open a little more. So great for craft supplies. You could probably use it for cleaning supplies if you really wanted to, although this is fabric. I'm not sure if it's waterproof or not. But, you know, all sorts of cool stuff you can carry in there. And again, you just pull up these little flaps at the bottom here and boom, it's flat storage. Woohoo! So Zeffy's now going to inspect that one. All right, you guys are going to have to look at the pink thing for a little bit while I open up the first mystery prize. First mystery package. I like mystery packages. Have you ever done blind shopping before? It's really cool. There's actually, you know, some places will do like a mystery thing valued up to a certain dollar value. And so this here, I'm just going to pull them out and drop them here without really looking at them. Alright, so in this package, alright, ooh, this is really cool. Ooh, what is this? Zeffy likes it. She's getting her nose in there. So this is the first piece that was in my mystery package, this little bag here. Could kind of use that for knitting. You know, stick a ball of yarn in there with my knitting needle sticking out and keep it safe from Zeffy. What else is in there, Zeff? Anything else? Is that just packing? Yeah, it's just the stuffing. But yeah, you could easily put knitting needles in there and a ball of wool, a crochet hook. It feels feltish and padded. You could even use it if you wanted to, I guess. Yeah, it'd be big enough to take a bottle of booze, a bottle of wine somewhere with you. But I like the idea of having the knitting thingy in there. And then this one, ooh, this is nice. I like this. This is a floppy bag. Helen calls these floppy bags because they have no structure, see? Oops, sorry, Zeffy. But you got the leatherette handles on there. It's just a tote bag. I'm not seeing any pockets on the inside there. But it's just a floppy tote bag. There's no pockets on the outside, so it's just a really great bag for carrying stuff, which is awesome. I like that. I like the pattern of it too. That's really cool. And it's just fabric. It's got the solid base here. So great for carrying whatever you got to carry, wherever you've got to go to carry it. And like I said, there's no pockets that I can see. But that's a really nice bag. I like that. So that's mystery bag. That's mystery bag number one. Well, actually, those two were in the mystery bag. And then this is another mystery bundle. So now you're going to end up looking at the bottom of the box while I figure out how to open this one. Alright, so we've got two things in here again. I'm just going to pull them out. Ooh, this is going to be fun. I'm always looking for these because I'm always losing my cases. So we've got that one, and then we've got this one. Now, if you want to know about 31 bags, I will put Nanette's link into the comments when I finish this video. Oh, was there a description on the other one? Hang on. Oh, so this round one that I said would be good for knitting is actually a felt wine and gift bag. I like the idea of putting a ball of yarn in there with a couple of knitting needles. And the other one was a reversible tote. Reversible? You mean so I can turn it inside out? Oh, that's cool. Yeah. So this reversible tote, you can either have it so the fabric bottom's on the outside or the leather bottom's on the outside. That's really cool. Okay, so in the other one, in this bag here, in this one, this other mystery surprise, they say this is a pinch top glass case. So it's got a pocket on the side there. Pinch top, which means you got to squeeze it open. That's really cool. Although my phone will fit into that, but then I've got to hook it onto something. Okay, so that's the pinch top eyeglass case. That was one of my mystery surprises. And this one is a well-suited garment bag. So let's have a look at this. I've got to open a garment bag with one hand. Let's see how easy this is. A couple of snap. Oh, actually, let's turn over so we can look at the one side. So you got a nice big pocket here. You got the snap clasps on each side here. Urgh. All right, now we can open it. Okay, a mesh pocket. Mesh pockets are always good for shoes and dirty laundry. And here's the bit that hangs, so you can put the hangers in. You know, the hangers come out of the hole at the top here. And then you've got extra pockets on this and the bundle things as well. I love garment bags for weekend trips, I have to say, because you can just throw stuff in there and you're just good to go. Fold it up and it's good to go. So you've got some puff-up pockets here that you can put things in, like underwear, socks, some t-shirts. You've got clear pockets for, I guess, toiletries and whatever else. And then you've got the mesh pocket down here, which would be good for shoes, sandals, or wet swimming trunks, stuff like that. And then, of course, you have the whole compartment underneath, which goes down the center zipper, which is where you can put, you know, your dresses, your shirts, stuff that goes on hangers. So that's really cool. I like that. And it's a really nice, I want to say it's nylon. I don't know what it's made of, but it's got like a vinyl feel to it. So, but yeah, that's really cool. So that's my haul of 31 bags. What I will do is I will go and find Nanette's link, and I will stick it into the comments below. So if you guys are interested in any of the bags that have appeared here today, and these I love mystery bags. Have you ever done blind shop? Blind shopping is really cool. I did that one time. There's actually these guys who have this eye disease, and they challenge you to shop their store blind. So you get an experience of some of the stuff that they go through. And what they do when they challenge you to shop blind is they have packages at certain dollar values, and you don't know what you're getting. And you just pay for this package, and the package shows up. And I have to tell you, the quality is really, really good. I got this really beautiful, soft, long sleeve t-shirt. I had a candle in there. What else was in that one? And on the cuff of the shirt, it had a little metal plate sewn on there, and it had Braille on it. And they even had a tag there that says that, you know, feel this, because it actually says feel on the tag. And I thought that was brilliant. And there was, what else was in there? There was the sweatshirt, the candle. There was like about 4 or 5 things in that box, and really did get the money value out of it. Went and checked out afterwards, and went to their store and priced the stuff out individually, and got a really good deal. So if you get to challenge to shop blind, which is basically spend a dollar value, get a box of stuff, sometimes it works out really, really well. And with this, I've got a suit carrier, an eyeglass case, my floppy tote. I love floppy totes. The wine bag thingy, which I think will make, because of the size of it, I can get my big ball of yarn into here for my crocheting or my knitting, and that will make a great bag to carry it around in, although it can be used as a gift bag or a wine bag as well, and it's felted, so you got that extra protection there too. But yeah, it's that was a great buy. The mystery bags were fantastic purchases, so I'm really stoked about those. And like I said, I'm going to put Nanette's link in the bottom here and the comments below as soon as I get off this live, so that if you're interested in seeing some, getting some of your own bags from her, you know, even if you just have to set up a time to talk with her or something, there's a way to connect with her on the website as well. She's very knowledgeable about all of her bags, and the bags are really, really good quality. This is my first time purchasing them, but I've seen ones that she's used and had for years, and they hold up really, really well. So they've got tote bags, they've got storage bags, they've got travel bags, they've got insulated bags. I mean, you saw my really cool, I like the RV one. You know, even this little collapsible bag, it goes flat and you just shake it out, and it's a little tote thing. It's not shaking out very well right now. But anyway, I gotta go. I gotta get ready to get online. Thankfully, I've already had lunch. So got to go out and help on the help chat. So that's what we're going to do right now. And here is my insulated bag with my RVs on it. See, in New Zealand we call these things we call these things caravans. Yeah, they're just vans that you hook on the back of the car and tow. Anyway, I'm out of here. Have a super fantastic sparkling day, and we will see you guys online at our regular time before the Dirt Nap podcast tonight at 7 p.m. Pacific. Hey, Konara.